up, y'all? So I'm going too fast. Look, I don't even want to do the intro no more because I feel like we know each other. We do this every time. We do it every time, sis. Like, come on now, you know what to do. Like the video and subscribe. Hello? Guess I'm looking like a rag doll. I just rolled up. I just rolled out the bed. Look, I'm gonna give y'all a couple videos today. Well, I'm gonna make a couple videos today. I don't know when I'm gonna post them, but yeah. So, lights of the new year and stuff like that right there. I am doing the end of the year cleanse, end of the year reset. Y'all look at my room once again. I don't know, y'all, how my room, like, literally, this is a week worth. Literally, I don't know. I just, like, I come home. Yeah, we finna get all that together, honey. And I cannot wait till my Shein stuff come. We're gonna do a Shein haul. We finna do a transition. Finna redo my room so I can feel good about myself. Like, then I'm slowly finna start getting my stuff, my furniture. Like, it's gonna be great. Like, I'm so excited, guys. And make sure y'all go check out my other videos, my blogs from Vlogmas and stuff like that right there. Check it out, check her out or whatever. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm gonna be doing YouTube more often now. Y'all know since the girl leaving, and I'm gonna make a video about that. I'm gonna tell y'all the teas on her or whatever. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'm just gonna be cleaning up. I already done did my hair and my lashes or whatever. I should have recorded it with y'all, but I'll be doing that, and I feel like it'd be so time consuming because like I have to switch literally between my phone to record and TikTok. Like I be recording for TikTok, and I'll be but yeah, y'all gonna have my undivided attention because TikTok is look like it's gonna be out of here, honey. And I just started making my coin. I just started. I'm going through enough. Anyway, y'all. So. But yeah, so stay tuned for this video. I might just come back at the end or whatever and give y'all some words of encouragement, some motivation for the new year. Tell y'all my plans. I know we're not supposed to just tell people about our plans because people just automatically like seem like they speak ill or they already be hating on you, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to tell you guys some of the goals I do have for the new year that I feel like I'm going to accomplish pretty soon. You know what I'm saying? Now, ain't nobody going to stop my motion anyway. I don't care. Listen, Linda. Yeah. But yeah, so I'll be back or whatever when I'm done cleaning. And yeah. So first I'm finna get this room together, honey. I don't know what be going on with me and what's like the deal with me in my room. But baby, I be windmilling for my life every week. It's just something. My room be piled up. I be having wigs everywhere, clothes everywhere, water bottles everywhere. So I was just like, you know what, let me put on some music, let me get in my groove. I ain't even hit the blizzy this month. That's how bad I had to get my ass up this morning and go ahead on and start cleaning. Cause what, it's gonna be a new year. I don't want to start the new year off with my room cluttered up and everything just everywhere. So I was just like, you know what, it's about that time to do you a deep clean, but not a too deep clean. I wasn't finna be, doing all that mopping and stuff like that, but we can at least get the room together. Y'all, so I didn't even put up none of the stuff that I got for Christmas. So I'm just sitting up here looking like, where am I finna put all this stuff? Like, I really don't have no room. I feel like I need a whole nother room for my clothes and stuff like that. But I decided since we're going into another new year, it's time for me to go through my clothes. I do this like once or twice a year. I go through all my clothes and I go through and I throw away or give away the clothes that I don't want or I can't fit anymore. And I give it to the Goodwill. I give it to somebody I know. Last time I gave it to somebody I knew. And yeah. So y'all see them thongs I got from TikTok shop? Like, yeah, they say eat me real bad, period. Just imagine when all of those clothes come from Shein and that other website I was telling you guys about. I don't know where I'm going to put that stuff. I'm probably going to organize my closets with y'all. That's probably going to be another video. If y'all interested in that, let me know in the comment section below or whatever, because I do have 1.5 closets. The way I say 1.5 because this closet in my room, it literally can hold nothing. Literally maybe a couple of jackets and a couple of shirts and some shoes, and that's it. And then honestly, y'all, I honestly been thinking about like how long am I gonna stay here, because me doing all these things, like putting up all these decorations and stuff like that right there, and I was just like, I'm doing all this and I don't even know how long I'm gonna stay here. I only been here a year so far. I don't want to just keep bouncing around, hopping here and hopping there, because I want to have a stable home for my child. You get what I'm saying? So I don't want to just be popping around every year getting a new place, but I do kind of low-key want to move back into an apartment. Like, is that a bad thing or a townhouse? But I want something
time to move into something that's my own, low-key. And y'all, don't mind my ass. Don't mind me just putting it all in y'all face because, yeah, it's all there. But, yeah, I'm finna straighten up the living room. Thank God that the living room is not that bad. But, y'all, going into this new year, I'm finna have to take down this Christmas tree. I'm not finna be 30 days into the new year and I ain't took down the Christmas tree. Although I didn't take it down this day. I thought about it. I looked at it. I was like, you know what? Should I take down that motherfucking tree? Or should I just leave it up to next Christmas? I might as well leave it up. So I started spraying to smell good and stuff like that right there. My son was getting on my last nerve because he was all everywhere. Anyway, I light the candles and everything was all goody two-shoe. And y'all, tell me why I finally found the cord to my dang on vacuum cleaner. Like, yes, God. Now I can vacuum all the carpets and stuff like that right there. Everything is clean. Everybody's room is clean. My room clean. Bathroom clean. His room clean. Clean as it's gonna get, honey. Yeah. I'm obsessed with that dance, y'all. Like, I can't stop doing it. Yeah. So next, y'all, after all that sweating, honey, I gotta go wash this ass. I gotta get this funk off this ass. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? So today, I feel like I took like a deep, clean shower. Today, it wasn't like everything shower because I wasn't able to shave. Like, y'all, why I get in the shower and realize that I ain't had no razors? So I cannot weed whack this damn bush of mine under my arms and down there. You know, down there under. You get what I'm saying? And I need to go shopping. That's coming next, hygiene shopping, where I need to get more products and stuff like that right there. Y'all, tell me why I done with hygiene shopping today. I ain't even gonna tell no lie. I'm gonna just tell y'all right now. I done did the shopping. And tell me why I done forgot half the shit I was supposed to get. Fucking around with y'all, trying to get the content for y'all. Then my son just talking. They got stuff locked up. It was just a mess. I do want to keep up the routine that I have right now because my skin is actually responding well to it. I'm no longer Rocky Road. I'm no longer Crunch Bar. I'm trying to give that that glass skin effect, but I still have these dark spots and stuff like that right there on my skin that I'm trying to figure out how to get off completely. I'm using this turmeric soap to let it fade away, and it's actually working, but I don't want it to be going. I want my skin to be literally all the same color, if y'all get what I'm saying. I do suffer from hyperpigmentation as well because I do have to shave often. So yeah. So right now, y'all, I'm finna shave my bird. Don't judge me, honey. I had to shave it because I went over there to my sneaky link house. He tried to touch all on my chin. I knew he was gonna try to do that. He was trying to caress my little beard or whatever. I was trying to move out the way because I was just I didn't want to prick him like a damn porcupine because I felt my little beard poking out. So I was just I'm gonna go over there, act all funny and shit like that right there. I got him thinking I don't even like him like that because I ain't want him to touch my face. In all actuality, baby, I ain't shaved today, and I ain't want to prick you. I ain't want you thinking I was a man. I ain't want you thinking all that. So, look, I had to keep it cute and try to play it off. And yeah. I couldn't even let him touch the gooch. Because I was just nah, you ain't finna say, oh, she had a bush down there or she wasn't ready and da-da-da-da. I don't want to hear it. Okay? I ain't even gonna y'all. So after I went hygiene shopping today, I'm gonna post that video next. But after I did that, and then I took an everything shower, baby, the way I had to sit up there, and I might as well get a pair of clippers for this shit. Do you understand me? The way I was in there 30, 45 minutes hacking away at this damn bush. I ain't even trying to be funny, but it ain't even been 2 weeks. I'm well, damn. If anybody knows something that can slow down your hair growth, and I'm not talking about waxing because I done tried waxing my motherfucking chin. I done waxed my chin, let lean them, wax my damn chin, and I ended up with a clusterfuck of bumps under my damn neck. You know them dang on bumps when them dudes be shaving and then they be getting them big old, it look almost like keloids. Hell no, I'm not doing it. And then too, honey, I need to get them dark spots under my arms together. It ain't even that bad no more, but I feel like I just want, y'all know what I'm talking about. Should I get bleached at this point? I know we against bleaching, but should I do it? So now I'm finna head on in this kitchen like Molly the maid. I don't know why everybody and their mama think they can just put all the dishes in the sink from their dang on room and just let them sit there and just they just gonna magically get clean. No, I'm the one that's gonna have to clean them. I don't want no rushes running around here, so I have to clean up the dishes. This is just so sad. Like, what the fuck? So yeah, I'm putting up dishes that's already dry. Then I'm putting the semi-dry dishes on the rack, and then I'm washing the dirty dishes, and then I'm wiping down the kettle and all that good shit right there. You see the process? You see the shit I gotta go through with. But anyway, we doing a reset. We trying to get our house together. We trying to get our house clean, starting off, all fresh and clean. That's the goal. Honey, after this, I had to work me up an appetite. I had to make me a little snack or whatever. Y'all know my favorite snack, a little parfait, the Greek yogurt, the fruits, and the granola. That's all you need for a healthy snack. Don't never tell me that I ain't never did nothing for y'all. Don't ever say I ain't never did nothing for y'all. So you slice up some dang on strawberries. This time I got blackberries. I wanted blackberries and blueberries, but they didn't, they claimed they ain't had none, but I feel like that was a lie. Anyway, y'all, so I had to use the last little bit of the dang on Greek yogurt. It splashed on me like some nut, but hey, it's okay. Being a big bag, all you gotta do is just dollop, a few scoops, and then just continue to layer. Greek yogurt, fruit, granola, repeat. That's all you gotta do, and it's gonna turn out really, really good. Honestly, if you put it in the refrigerator, if you don't like your granolas like really, really crunchy, you can put it in the refrigerator, and the granolas is gonna get soft. But at the end of the day, I feel like it tastes kind of weird like that. I don't know. So
all right, y'all, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up right here or whatever. So we finna end the video off. I don't know why it's glaring like that, but hey, we just gonna end the video off with a little chit chat or whatever. So guys, today is the last day of 2024, and I can't say I can reflect on this year. And this was literally at the beginning of this year. I literally was so depressed. Like, I was so literally depressed. I was going through it. I was wallowing in the bed for weeks. Like, I was so depressed because I was broke. I ain't even gonna tell no lie. Like, I was able to pay my bills, but it was just like, some gotta give. Stuff was going on with my car. I couldn't get a new car. I was just so mad. Like, I was just like, bro, something gotta change. Something gotta give. I'm working my ass off, putting in all these extra hours. This was before I was back full time, working full time, y'all. And I ain't even gonna lie, this year, I just gave up at the beginning of this year. Like, literally, before I got my new car and all that stuff like that, I was just like so depressed and ready to give up on everything. And then like blessings just started coming back to back slowly but surely. Like, I got my money, spent all my money on getting my car by myself. I did it all by myself. Then next thing that happened, I had to do all this stuff for my son's birthday, sacrifice. I wasn't even sure if I was going to be able to do something nice for my birthday, but I ended up still going on a trip for my birthday, still going out, doing everything I wanted to do. Even though it wasn't at the magnitude, I still was grateful for everything, like, I still was able to do. Like, then I paid off 2 major loans, like, that helped me out financially, like, to get back where I need to be or whatever. And like September, I was penny pinching, struggling. Y'all see me wearing my natural hair for a minute because I was just like, look, I'm in grind mode, baby. I got shit to do. Like, you get what I'm saying? So then after that, like, I start finding other ways to make money, and then I start going viral on Sister Girl. I was already getting paid from FB. Like, it was just a lot. Like, they took my Facebook payments. It was just a lot going on. Like, I had just got paid from YouTube. YouTube was you know, going slow. I was being this content creator, putting in all this work. My business steady just declining because I'm trying to put my work in and being an influencer. I was just like, bro, I'm putting in all this work. I've been doing this shit for a minute, and I'm trying to see like when I should start getting paid. Like I've been doing this for a minute. I've been trying to go viral. I've been trying to do all this stuff to be a content creator like I want, and I've been going, and it's finally like, you know what I'm saying, when I finally take off and stuff like that and start getting like that funds and stuff like that, the shit wanna get deleted. Like I ain't even mad though, because I'm gonna take my efforts, everything I learned on other platforms. It's nothing for me to grow on Insta and stuff like that right there. It just, I want to get from my hard work, because this is a lot of hard work being a content creator, and I'm gonna make a video about that too. Like it's basically like a full-time job without a job. Like I couldn't even focus on my business because I wanted to be a content creator. You get what I'm saying? Because I saw my business was like, I don't know, like it's just a lot going on with it, and it's just time and money that I don't have. You get what I'm saying? At the time, but now, like I started back investing. I started doing this and doing that behind the scenes. Like I'm ready to get back on the scene. 2025, my business finna go up. I'm finna go up as a content creator. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep growing on other platforms like YouTube and stuff like that right there. I'm gonna keep being consistent. I'm gonna just go up from here. Like I feel like my blessings just gonna keep coming and coming and coming. I started off this year rough, depressed, laying in the bed, don't want to get up, broke as fuck. Ending off the year with everything, got everything I wanted for Christmas, got everything almost that I want to be done with my house and stuff like that right there. Like my room finna get redecorated and stuff. Like I'm just beyond grateful. I'm beyond grateful for my fans or my supporters and stuff like that right there on all platforms, no matter how small, how big. No matter if this platform over here is small, I'm still gonna be grateful for y'all. You get what I'm saying? This is the smallest platform I got. No shade. But it seemed like I could talk to y'all. Like I can't talk to them like that. They wouldn't give a fuck. Over here I could show like behind the scenes my personality, and y'all can really get to know me. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, so my new year, I plan to do everything I said I was going to do in my last video about being productive and stuff like that right there. I'm getting in the gym. I'm going to take you guys with me or whatever. I'm just going to be scared. Like, going to the gym is just about me. I don't have nobody to work out with. But it's okay. It's cool. Like, I'm finna do this. I'm finna get in there like booty hair because I'm tired of these ham hock arms. Hello. But yeah, y'all, so have a new year. I'm going to upload this video today. So yeah, I hope y'all get lit tonight, stay safe or whatever, and I'll see you guys in 2025. Hello, bye guys. Make sure y'all like this video and subscribe to my channel.